All right, let's just dive right into it. Welcome to this quick, rapid-fire explainer session. Today, we're taking a laser-focused look at mastering the Dublin City University, or DCU, admission exams. If you're planning to attend, well, this general exam is an absolutely crucial step. It doesn't just test what you've memorized. It actually tests your foundational knowledge, your critical thinking, and your overall aptitude across a bunch of core disciplines. Basically, they want to make sure you are totally ready for university-level rigor.
So the million-dollar question really is, are you ready for Dublin City University? University admission is incredibly high stakes, right? The difference between securing your dream spot and, well, missing out often just comes down to how well you understand and prepare for the actual exam environment.
And that's exactly where the DCU practice test comes in. Based on the source material we're looking at today, this is a super innovative online tool that directly simulates the real exam environment. It's specifically designed to test your comprehension under realistic conditions. That way, when test day actually rolls around, there are absolutely no surprises.
Okay, let's jump straight into a mini exam right now to see where you currently stand. I'm going to show you exactly 3 demo questions taken directly from the source material. I'll read them out, and you lock in your guess. Here's the very first one, from Business and Management. Sentence completion. In management accounting, the contribution per unit is calculated as selling price per unit minus blank. Is it A, total fixed costs, B, variable cost per unit, C, net profit per unit, or D, total revenue? Think about it for just a second and make your choice. And the right answer is B.
All right, let's move right along to our next category and see how you do here. We're testing your baseline knowledge in education and teaching. In effective teaching, assessment carried out during a unit to provide feedback and adjust instruction is known as blank assessment. Is it A, summative, B, formative, C, norm referenced, or D, diagnostic? Go ahead and lock in your answer.
The right answer is B. Okay, now for our third and final demo question, this time from Health and Nursing. This is your last chance to score a point before our mini exam is up. During an adult health assessment, a respiratory rate of 8 breaths per minute is documented as blank. A, tachypnea, B, hyperventilation, C, bradypnea, or D, eupnea. Take a quick second to think about it.
And the right answer is C. Fantastic effort if you got that right. And honestly, a really great way to baseline your knowledge either way. That wraps up our rapid-fire mini exam. Now, to get that competitive edge we've been talking about, our sources highly recommend using easyquizzes.com. For your exam prep, they actually offer 2 really powerful platforms. First, you have their online web simulator, which is awesome because it lets you configure custom topics, use a strict exam mode, and set realistic timers. And perfectly complementing that is their super convenient mobile app. It features offline sync, an auto-learning function, and it literally gives you the ability to practice anywhere you happen to be. So the big takeaway from all of this is that you really can have complete control over your study routine. You can visit easyquiz.com right now to practice wherever, whenever you want. I highly encourage you to challenge yourself and take control of your preparation today. Because, the clock is always ticking. The only question left is, will you be the one controlling it when exam day finally arrives?